sum, difference, product and quotient. We'll take two numbers. Let's add these two numbers up to 10 by estimating the digits. So up to 10 will add up, we'll round these places up to 10 and we'll find out the sum and we'll find out the estimation of it. So when we round this number, we'll be getting 120 because it's nearest to 0 because this is 1. We'll be getting 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. We'll take either side of a number. So this is nearest to 120. For the next number, this is 431 is nearest to 430 when we round to the tens place because we'll take, as we have taken the concept 1, 2, 3, 4 and we'll take before that number and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 we'll take the first next number of the digit. So here 430 and 120 will add up these numbers. So 120 plus 430 we add these numbers, we'll be getting 550. So when we round these numbers after finding these digits we'll be rounding, then 550 is the estimation process. We got 550. Then actual addition, let us see actual answer for it, that is 123 and 431 and when we add these two numbers 4, 5, 5 and 554 we got and when we round this number up to tens places we know that 4 is nearest to the 0, so 550 will be getting. So when we round this number after actual addition we have done and after that we rounded, we got this number of 550 and we estimated after taking the rounding the numbers and we got this 550. So this is both are balanced. So let's take an example for the subtraction. After rounding these numbers, let us subtract these two numbers, that is 400 minus 100 will be getting 300 and this is the estimation. So when in estimation process we have subtracted these two numbers, we got 300. In actual subtraction, let us see 431 and 124 and let us subtract, this is 7 and here 0 and after that we will be getting here 3 and 307. This is actual subtraction. Actual subtraction we got 307. So and this when we round this number of 307 we will be getting it is nearest to 300. So we understood here after rounding the numbers to the 100 we got 300. In actual subtraction also we got 300. So this is the balance and this is the process of subtraction of the numbers in estimation method. Let's take an example for the product of two numbers using estimation. So let's take two-digit number 75 and one of the two-digit number 36. So let's see here 75 is, let's round these numbers up to the 10. So when we round these numbers to the 10 and this is here 5 and 6, so we'll take the next number of it, that is 80 and the next number of this is 6. After that we'll be going to the next tens places, that is 40. So by estimation we'll multiply these both the numbers and we'll be getting 3200. So this is the estimation. After estimation by this product of these numbers and we got 3200 and actual product, let us see here 75 and 36. Let us multiply these two numbers, then yes, 6, 5 and 30 is 0, 42 and 450 and multiply by 3, 15, 1, 5 and 21, 22 and by adding these two 0 and 10 and 6, 7 and we'll be getting 2 here and then here when we round this these numbers, and we'll be getting here. So when we round this 27,000, it is to the tens. So we'll find out the estimation when we divide these two numbers. This is 5,496 divided by 994. Then when we round this digit towards the hundreds, to hundreds, then we'll be getting 5,000, because this is 494, it's less than 500. So if it is less than 500, we'll go to the next, it will go to the back, so that is 5,000 it becomes. So if it is 5 or after 5, then we'll go to the 6,000. So it is less than 5, so that we have taken 5,000 here. So we'll go to the next number, that is 994. 994 to, when we round this one to hundreds, then we'll be getting here 1,000, because it's nearest to the thousands. So we cannot go to the back because it becomes 0. So next it becomes 1,000. So we'll try to divide these two numbers, that are 5,000 divided by 1,000. So let's cancel these two numbers. 3 zeros are cancelled. So we got 5. So the final result we got here 5 after estimation. So this is the process. This is the process of doing estimation for product and quotient. Estimation of the product, product and quotient. We'll do the product of these two numbers using the estimation process, and we'll find out the quotient using estimation process. We'll round this number, then we'll be getting 342, and it becomes 300. We'll round this number to the hundreds. So here 42 is this. So its 4 is nearest to the 300, because we know that if it's increased by 4 after 5 or after 5, then we'll go to the 400, or 4 or below to 4, then we take 300. That concept we have learned in previous class. So here, let's round this number towards the hundreds. Then we can see here, this is 565. So there is a 6. So it goes to the next digit. That is, when we round this digit towards 100 to hundreds, so it becomes to the next number. So when we go to the next number, this 5 becomes 6. So it becomes 600. So it is greater than 5. So it became 600. So we multiply. Now we'll multiply this 300 into 600 after rounding the digits. So this is 3 into 6. So multiply these two numbers, we'll be getting 18. And then, so here we have seen this 4 zeros are present. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the estimation of product of these two numbers. So let's see, when we divide two numbers, what is the estimation? We'll estimate this quotient after dividing these two numbers. So let's see, we'll round these numbers to hundreds. So when we round these numbers to hundreds, this is 4, it's less than 5, because if it is 5, then we'll take to the next digit. So and then we'll go to the next digit. Then it is what here? 496. So then it becomes here 5,000. 5,496.